Good morning. 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 Good morning, Nutty Buddy Nation. How are you guys doing today? It is 10:56 a.m. going on 11 a.m. and I'm just getting up out of the bed. I have been having a hard time. I've been having a hard time getting out of bed lately. I've been so tired and drained, and by 3 or 4 p.m., even though I'm getting up later, by 3 or 4 p.m., I just feel so tired, like this sleepiness comes over me and I got to go lay down and take a nap. So I have been feeling so drained lately. I have also been nauseous and fainty, and I'm on this carnivore diet, and I've done the carnivore diet before, but I never had any of these symptoms on the carnivore diet before. So, I have to go in the kitchen and get me something to eat. I'm not getting enough vitamins and minerals or something. Something is not adding up. I haven't even been eating properly. Like the last few days, I've eaten at least 2 meals a day, but before that, like last week, I only ate 1 meal a day, and that definitely is not going to give you enough energy. It's not going to give you enough nutrition. It's not going to give what you need on the carnivore diet. So I've been trying to work on that, and the only way that I could really work on eating more than 1 meal a day is to get up in the morning, no matter what time I get up, even if it's late, to go ahead and fix breakfast. So that way we can get that first meal in instead of going outside, working, feeling faint, feeling nauseous. Yeah, it's a lot. So I'm about to go into the kitchen, and I think I need to go ahead and fix me some eggs. Don't know what I'm gonna eat the eggs with, but yeah, I think I'm gonna fix me some eggs. Y'all, I just got through doing my sleeping video. I normally don't sleep in a bra, don't like sleeping in a bra, but I don't want to ever have an accident in my sleeping videos where the boobies pop out. So yeah, I slept in a bra last night, but I got on this little outfit that I got the other day from Goodwill for $1. Make you holla. I got on this little outfit. Pajama Eddie Bauer outfit. It feels so good and comfortable, y'all. So if y'all ever see Eddie Bauer at the thrift store sleepwear, get it. Or if you want to spend that kind of money, I don't even know like what Eddie Bauer sleepwear would cost. Eddie Bauer long sleeve female shirt would be $55 just for the shirt. Okay, this Eddie Bauer shirt. So I'm about to go in the kitchen and fix me some eggs, child, and some kind of meat. I don't know what. I might eat some sardines, scrambled eggs and sardines separately, because I need to get them sardines in and I need to get them eggs in with the fat and the protein. So let's do that. Oh man, I forgot. Hey y'all, I finished scrambling my eggs. I have some eggs. I'm gonna eat some sardines because I need to get them out the way. Gonna put me some electrolytes in this water. And I need to take some iodine. So, I'm getting my fat in. I have my butter on my eggs. I had added some heavy whipping cream in there. And I'm gonna eat my sardines. So, hopefully this will help me to get some of these things out the way that I need to get out, and I'll start feeling better. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Look at the sky. Beautiful, clear, crisp. I don't know if y'all can see the snow on the mountain cap over there. So today, you guys, I am working on the roof of the van, and I am bringing my electrical wires in from my light bars, and I had to drill a hole at the top of the van, and I did have a lot of metal shavings, so I'm cleaning those up because you don't want to leave those where they're gonna get rusted and end up causing problems. So you want to try to get all of them up, and then I spray painted around it, and I'm just dragging the wires through my entry gland. So yeah, these are where the wires are going to go through the entry gland. And then I have to take this light off so I can put the wire underneath, because I didn't want the wire to the light being exposed on top. I wanted it to be hidden underneath. So I'm taking that light bar off and then replacing it back on there and making sure it's tight, so that way when I'm driving or whatever, I don't have it coming off and flying off. So now that I got that all situated, I am going to tighten down a few solar panels. I won't be able to tighten down the one in the middle because I need to purchase another entry gland from Amazon to run my cutoff switches in. So that's what I'll be working on in a few days, and I just continue to run my wires so that I can tie them down. And that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video, and subscribe to my other channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey, to see the full video on everything that I did to the roof today. Thanks for watching.